Greetings in the name of the Most High Yah. It's King Yadaya, aka King Solomon, staying wise in life and in these markets. And today is the 22nd of July. It's a Friday. I'm gonna do a trade recap on Meta. So starting off with the Camarilla levels as I always do. Yesterday's R3 was at 184.98. S3 was at 181.19. And today S3 is at 181.81 and R3 is at 184.54. So this is a very significant Camarilla level positioning because it's called an inside day, right? So when you have an inside day, you're looking for a trending behavior or breaking out, like it's either breaking out long or breaking out short. So looking at how we started the pre-market, right? Even from yesterday, you could see we had this major sell-off, right? And now we're opening lower, right? And pushing down lower into the open. So with that said, you see it's pushing down here in the pre-market, right? So with that said, we're looking for shorts, right? So now, even though I'm looking for shorts, this is like my Papa Bear strategy setup, right? Because it's either a lower value day I'm looking for in the Camarillas or an inside value day with a gap down, right? So with Meta gapping down in an inside value day relationship, I'm looking for shorts, but I'm looking for a pop-up at the open, right? But this is what I did today. Let's see. Let's go back down to the 5 minute. So I saw the weakness opening because, alright, so this is why I took this trade right at the open. I realized like price is flushing down at the open in certain trades, right? So even at one of those trade recaps I did, I think it was on I can't remember the ticker. I think it was Netflix, and I think Brian took the trade right at the open, right? And I was thinking, well, damn, I wanted to do the same thing at S4 breakdown, right? And I kind of hesitated, right? So I'm trying to, you gotta improve as you see things moving a certain way, and you get acclimated to the market. You start going into the zone, right? You start getting the feel for it. So with the market doing these little quick flush downs at the open, I decided this time with Meta looking so weak, pushing down into the open, I decided let me take a quick flush down open, and I'm gonna put my stop. I think my stop was like at 175 or something like that. So I was risking like $2. So proper risk management, risking $2 in the trade, because I was looking at 175 as my it was above 175, like 175 25 or 30 or something like that, and I was looking for maybe if it failed at the pop-up, I'm gonna add to the position. If like from my first entry, I'm gonna add to the position, right? But having a plan and executing it properly is a tricky thing, man, when you're looking at price action, right? So this is what I did, right? Let me try and make this a little bigger. All right, so enter the trade here at the break of pre-market low, right? Then I added to the trade here again. So enter the trade at what level was that? 172.94. So basically I was looking for a 173 breakdown, right? Added to the position at 172.84. We had the push down. I didn't take any partials because I'm not really a partial guy. I ain't really into that. I'm trying to catch like runners, right? So didn't take any partial, but it popped back up on me like real hard, right? So you see this wick right here push back up on me, right? So I don't know, man. I think like the market makers, they just decided it's too much people short and they just cleared some stops real quick, right? So they got me right here, right at 173.75, because I didn't like the momentum of it. Now I could have held and actually stuck to the plan, but the momentum was a little too much for me, man. So as we raced up here, I settled down, got my bearings, and I was like, man, this is the plan. You know what I'm saying? So went heavy size right here at 174.85 as we rejected 175, which was the original plan, man. If I just held this trade, oh man. So added to the position here, heavy size. Well, for me anyway, it's heavy for me, you know what I mean? Probably peanuts for somebody else. So came down here, and I think I did right. So I covered, I think this was the cover right here. I just sold all at 173.45. So from 174.78 to like 173.45, and then as we popped up again, did another rejection and came back down. I took the breakout VWAP, a nice little scalp right here, went heavy size again, 173.82 and 173.62, right? And then as it, I think it hit and it popped back up a little, I just kind of I cut it out right here. So made my day today, man, with those trades. And even, oh, there's another one. So as we popped up here again, we hit 175.60, took the rejection of that and stopped at upper VWAP, because in case, because it has a bullish posture, right? Like these candles right here, these candles right here have a bullish posture, right? So at this point, this might be a breakout, right, to just go higher. So when it got that little rejection, I'm just taking the pullback, right? So stopping out right here. But in hindsight, you can see like, man, this came all the way back down, right? So that was my intention. My intention was to get back to a level like this level right here, right, to the breakout level, volume point of control. This was my target, to get to that level. So, and especially upper VWAP, which is a support line for like a long. So I'm just taking the pullback, right? Caught a little scalp there and made my day, man. You know what I mean? In and out, being real nimble and just making quick decisions, you know what I'm saying? And that's my trade for today, y'all. It's your boy King Yadeya, aka King Solomon, staying wise in life and in these markets. Time to go get a haircut, you know what I mean? Hit the city tonight and just enjoy life, you know what I'm saying? Because, I mean, trading is a stressful thing, man. So, you gotta get a glass of wine, a little red wine, a little carbonate tonight, you know what I'm saying? So, enjoy your weekend too, man, you know what I mean? I know life as a trader, sometimes maybe if you had some losses, like I had an excellent week this week, right? I'm really getting back into my zone and being a little more nimble. Even though I'm looking for trend trades, I'm still, you know, doing some scalps. So I'm improving on the scalping, and I don't really like it, to be honest, man. I really want to catch some trades, you know what I'm saying? But those will happen, those will come, you know, the market will show it to me, and I'll be prepared. But for now, I'm moving with the choppiness, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, man, it's King Yadeya, aka King Solomon, staying wise in life and in these markets. And y'all trade safe and stay blessed. And if you had a losing week this week, don't worry, man, you're gonna come back, you know what I'm saying? You're gonna come back, because just like I was having some losing weeks, right now I'm all the way back. Looking at my P&L right now, all those little cuts, I'm all the way back right now. So y'all trade safe and stay blessed, man. It's gonna work out. Just hang in there.